The tips for keeping your house always clean, welcoming, and smelling good are getting more and more common around here. After all, who doesn't like a house with a fragrant smell? Did you know that you can make your house smell good spending very little? In today's video, you will learn how to make an air freshener with coarse salt and fabric softener. Are you interested? Write down the ingredients. 1 cup coarse salt, 2 teaspoons alcohol, 5 tablespoons fabric softener, cloves, small plastic or glass bottle. Directions: put the salt in the bottle, add the alcohol and fabric softener and mix well. If you want, you can use the homemade softener that we taught on the channel. Watch the video being suggested to you. After that, sprinkle the cloves over the mixture. If your mixture gets too thick, add more fabric softener until it reaches a gel-like consistency. And your homemade air freshener is ready. Easy and quick to make, isn't it? Now put it in a strategic place, like the living room, bedroom, kitchen, or bathroom. The important thing is to make the room smell good. Besides that, since it is easy and cheap, you can make an air freshener for each one of the rooms in your house. This way, your whole home will smell nice. Oh, and did you know that cloves, besides leaving a nice fragrance in the air, also help to get rid of flies and roaches? Isn't it amazing? What are you waiting for? Try it and tell us what you think in the comments.